My name is Mayssam Tamim. I'm the owner and founder of Miyasm brand. I grew up in Lebanon for the most part of my life. Growing up in a country that is known for olive oil, soap made with olive oil with the high properties is something that I've always appreciated. I wanted to create a brand that is very much attuned to sustainability. What I'm showing at the Biennale Design Store is a wide collection of handmade soaps that I make. For the Biennale in particular, what inspired me was to make a special collection that was launched only at the Biennale. It's a box. There are 6 soaps inside it of different colors and shapes, but more importantly, different fragrances. I wanted to include scents that come from the region. I want people to take the product and think this is made in Saudi Arabia, this is a good product, and we want to come back for more. I would wish that every item featuring in the shop gives that impression to the visitors.